from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have an awesome diesel SUV for you. It is a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GL350 Bluetec, and it's finished in an Arctic white with a cashmere beige interior, which I will show you. We also have a keyless entry, running ports, and a leather and wood green multi-function wrap steering wheel. You can see here, it looks like nobody's ever sat in this car. I mean that. We were just talking about that with Where's Ryan, because it doesn't look like anybody's really ever sat in it. It has been so well maintained. You can see we have the sunroof. This is a 7-seater vehicle, so 6 passengers do fit in this car. And we have the entertainment centers in the back and the headrest, should that be of interest. And
air conditioning.
Of course, your rear air conditioning. Yeah, anytime you have a 7-seater, I would hope so. But
No, it's not. It's an option.
Of course, it's an option. I'm just saying. You have your blind spot assist. You have your awesome Michelin tires, huge wheels. In the front here, we have your LED daytime running lights and your xenon headlights, along with your chrome appearance package. So I'm going to show you what's underneath the hood.
Yeah.
It's a 3-liter V6 engine, and it has about 210 horsepower, but the main focus is going to be the foot-pounds of torque, because this is a diesel engine. So we have 398 foot-pounds of torque in this engine, and that is really where your power comes from when it comes to a diesel engine. So plenty of power, especially for this size SUV, and it can definitely move, and these things run forever. So here, once again, the chrome appearance package, the huge wheels, nice Michelin tires, running ports, your blind spot assist as well, which is always a clear indication by anytime you see the triangle and the side view mirrors.
A missing window.
And haha, hilarious. Yeah, sorry, the window got rolled down, but it's there. And there you can see the extra seats in the back, which can also be folded down and become more storage room for you. We do have both keys to this car and the books as well, with a backup camera, parking sensors, and your towing capabilities with your towing hitch there. So I am going to open this just by the key. It was giving me trouble. Of course, anytime I want to do a video, something's going to go wrong. Here's your all-weather floor mats. You'll see them throughout, but they are not in the front because we have the plastic down for those who are getting in and out of the vehicle. But nice space even when the back seats are up. However, you can put them down just simply by a push of a button, and this way you can load more items. The other seats go up as well, as you can see by the one on the right hand side, so you can fold all of this down and have plenty of space for whatever it is that you are traveling with. So I'm going to take it out on a quick test drive and show you guys how amazing this diesel SUV is. Right, let's get it started up. I did mention that this is a keyless go, keyless entry, 74,041 miles on the odometer. Considering this is a diesel Bluetec by Mercedes-Benz, you know this car has really got a lot of miles and time to give. And I already said before when I did the walk around, it looks as though this car has never been sat in. It's amazing to me that it's possible to appear that way with 74,000 miles, but it does. Once again, you have your leather wrapped, wood grain wrapped, multi-function steering wheel here, and you can see we have the paddle shifters as well for the vehicle. And here's your navigation. You have Bluetooth, the books right there, and of course your cables. Your dual air conditioning, dual climate zone for you and your passenger, along with the air conditioning for the back passengers. Again, we have a 7-seater SUV. We have heated seats for those in the front, the driver and the passenger. Once again, your radio, Bluetooth, all the options that you need to be comfortable. I would say if I got this car, I would take it on a road trip. You have 2 sunroofs in this car, but it's hard to see from up here. But there's a sunroof in the back as well for those in the back of the car. I apologize. Bambi is crossing the street. I love these guys. Lately they've been, here you can see, oh wait, real quick, the triangle. That's going to be indicative of your blind spot assist, which I do have in this car as well. And sorry, I have to be careful because I know that usually when you see one deer, there are multiple of them, especially here, because I know the whole family is always around. You can see that the service is recent, up to date. There's your tire pressure sensors. Those are working. Once again, your Bluetooth, I mentioned that. And your miles per gallon. Everything is awesome in this car. I really do love it. But I did mention that we have 398. Okay, change key batteries. Duly noted.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's gonna be your one message, and if that's your message, then you know what, that's not a problem at all. We will have that key battery changed for you.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. So you can turn your blind spot assist on and off.
A little acceleration.
Yeah, yeah. Wow. Wow. Wow, okay, let's try that one more time. That was powerful. All right, we're gonna try an acceleration run. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look, the car has been serviced. It has been inspected by us. It's, you know, it's a diesel, so it's gonna run forever. I'm sorry. My camera guy's making faces at me, so it's difficult for me to be serious sometimes, so I apologize. 239-263-8500. It's 239-263-8500. My name's Marianne. You guys give us a call if you have interest in this car. I don't think it will last long. I actually have a couple people on my waiting list for a vehicle like this. So 239-263-8500. And on the web, it's autohausnaples.com. House is the German spelling of H-A-U-S. And I will see you guys on the next one.
Jesus.
It just went into park by itself.